Tomorrow's open day for me, but guess what? The name of my team is the D-backs. I only like it a little bit, but not that much. But my favorite team is the Giants. Luckily, my dad got the mailman to give us Giant tickets, and we're gonna see what they look like. So let's get started. Let's open this. So, whoa, you guys are gonna love this. Here's the greatest picture I ever saw. So this is the picture where the Giants are winning, like they got a lot of points. And then streamers are coming down, and here's the American flag for our country. So let's open this up. So here we have one of our giant chickens. So let's open this up. So here we have all the Giants. And so here we have all the Giants and one picture of the Giants game.
Oh, opening day they're playing the Diamondbacks.
So let's open this one now.
Let's see. Oh, look, your team's coming to town.
Yep. But I need to tell you one thing. One of the Giant players used to play on the Giants, but his name was Romo, and he went on the team, the Dodgers. We don't say that word, Daddy. Well, anyway, we still have the Giants. Well, thanks for watching my video, and remember, BLA!